Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Sign into Microsoft 365 with your work or school account and make sure OneDrive is provisioned for your tenant. Once done, open the Teams desktop app. It's faster and supports all integration features. Next, click the Files tab in any channel to start integrating. This connects the channel to SharePoint by default, so you'll explicitly add OneDrive files next. Make sure you have appropriate permissions, because permissions control whether files sync or remain read-only. Now you link OneDrive. In a chat or channel, open Files, then choose Add Cloud Storage and pick OneDrive. You'll be prompted to grant Teams permission to access your OneDrive. Approve it so Teams can list and share files. Once authorized, browse to the folder you want, then either pin it to the tab or add specific file links to messages. This approach keeps personal work files separate from channel SharePoint content while making collaboration quick and discoverable. Finish by verifying sharing settings on the files or folders you connected. Set view or edit permissions so collaborators have the right access. Then, click Sync to mirror selected OneDrive folders locally using the OneDrive desktop client, which speeds access and offline work. If something goes wrong, permissions not applying or files not appearing, revoke Teams access and reauthorize OneDrive, or clear the Teams cache and restart the app. Doing that fixes most token and sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.